Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'll be showing you how to do these Lion King inspired nails. So I did miss the first little part of this, but I did paint Kira Sky's nude swings on both my pointer and my middle finger. And then here I'm taking Beamee's metal leaf gel in a light gold leaf, and I'm painting a coat of this on my pinky finger. And I'm going to go in with Light Elegance's Dragon Breath. It's this pretty sparkly orange-red color. It's so pretty. This one's from their summer collection. And I'm also going to take Light Elegance's Sun Bum, and I'm going to actually mix Sun Bum in with Dragon's Breath and create more of a lighter orange color. And so what I'm going to do is create an ombre. So I'm going to go in with Dragon's Breath and paint that on the top half of my nail on my ring finger. And then I'm going to go in with my creation color, the lighter orange that I created, and paint that on the bottom. And then I go back and forth and kind of swirl it in the middle and try to fade it a little bit. I'm still working on trying to figure out how to do fades with gel colors. So I just kind of played around with it, and I was able to do it with this color shade. And so I'm going to do this on my ring finger as well as my thumb. And in case anyone is interested, I will leave a link in the description box down below of Eeyore nails I have done, as well as Dumbo nails I have done. These are the only two character nails I believe I have on my channel right now. And here I'm taking that nude swings color again, and I'm doing a second coat of that, and I'll also do a second coat of the metal leaf gel. So here's what the nails look like so far. I did take the tacky layer off both of the fingers with nude swings on them. And on the pointer finger, I'm going to go in and create kind of a travel print design. It's inspired from Home of Diva. I will insert her picture here. And so I'll be using Light Elegance's Bearded Lady for the dark brown to do the lines for the tribal design. And I do start off with a long striping brush to create the long straight lines along the nail. And then I do switch over to my Robin Moses wand brush to do the smaller details of the tribal design. So once I have the outline done with Bearded Lady, I go in and take Sun Bum and I create some yellow accents on it. And here I'm taking Kira Sky CEO, which is just a medium brown shade, and I'm going in and creating that middle of the triangle. And from here I did take off the tacky layer, and then I go in with Bearded Lady again, and I create the rest of the outlining and lines for the tribal design. I did go in and take the metal leaf gel and add a few little accents in the tribal design just because I wanted this whole design to go together, so I wanted a little bit of that color in there as well. And so off camera, I did sketch out Simba's head with a pencil on my nail. I just kind of copied an image I found online. I drew it out with pencil, and then I go in with Madam Glam's Perfect Black, and I do use Mini Burns brush in Minty Zero, and I create the outline, and I just follow the exact same stencil that I had drawn in. And so I learned this technique from Sarah's Nail Secrets. I will leave a link in the description box down below for her channel. She has done a few of these character designs, and she goes in and takes off the tacky layer, or on a freshly sculpted nail, she'll do the outline with a pencil, go in, do the outline with a black gel, fill it in like a coloring book with color, and then go in once again and do the outline just to precise all of the lines. So here I have the outline all done. I gave it a full cure, and then I do take off the tacky layer so that way the gel isn't spreading too much. And so the first color I'm going to use is Madam Glam's Coral Flirt, and this is going to be for the nose. And we're basically going in and filling it in like a coloring book. And so for Simba's snout, I used Madam Glam's Mimosa mixed with some of Madam Glam's Perfect White to create kind of that lighter yellow shade. Here I'm taking Kira Sky's Egyptian Goddess, which is kind of a burnt orange color, and I'm using this for the most outer part of Simba's eyes. And then for the majority of Simba's fur, I mix Egyptian Goddess with some of the Perfect White. So you will see that I did apply Simba's fur, the majority of his face, a little too thick, and then it did bubble up when I cured it. So what I did after I cured it is I took a buffing block, buffed it down a little bit to help smooth out the surface, and then I went in and did a super thin layer of that same color to fill in some of the bumps. And then once I put top coat on, it did smooth everything out. So in case you do apply it too thick, that's a good technique on how to fix it real quick. So here I'm just going back in with Madam Glam's Perfect Black, and I'm redoing the outlining, making everything a bit more perfect, and then I'm adding the little details like the whiskers and then more of the scruff on his chin and some of his like eyelashes and eyebrows. So here is how Simba came out. I think he came out so cute, but let's move on with the design. I did want to add a few gems on my nails, so I'm taking Stay Put Jelly from Daily Charm. And here I have just some random gems that I've had in my collection, some gold caviar beads. In the small container is some gold triangles I'm going to use, and then from the large wheel I'm going to use the rectangle gold shape. So I did play around with the design of the caviar beads. You'll see me moving them around a little bit till I was happy with them, and then I gave them a full cure. And so here I'm happy with the design, so I'm going to go ahead and go in with some top coat. I'll be using La Elegance's Super Shiny. I do want to mention that at some point recently they did repackage the Super Shiny top coat, and so it has a little bit different of a bottle, but I really like the brush on this one because it is wider and rounder, so you can really get in to the edges and corners of the cuticles, and for long nails like mine, it's a lot easier to top coat than from their old brush. It was a thin little brush, so I really like how they redid this. And so here is how my nails came out. I think they came out so cute. This is probably the best character design I've done so far. I love how Simba came out. He just came out so perfect to me. And I love like the treble of it, and it just is perfect for the Lion King. It comes out Thursday, July 18th is the premiere night, and I'm gonna go see it. I'm so excited for the movie. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and leave a comment down below of what character nails you want me to do next. Thanks for watching. Bye.